You on my YouTube channel? You on my channel? Look Out Racing. It's going down like Fernando. I forgot his last name, but it's going down like James Brown. Look, this is my sticker, man. You can put it on your car. You'll be representing a bad motherfucker, man. Everybody else got one. Yeah.
I got a 6.2.
He got a 6.2, man. You need to get him. Stop. Ain't got nothing done to it. No filter or nothing.
What do you say?
8.5. 8.5. Yeah. See, you done did something to your shit because his shit only running. He gonna give you the back tire to make up.
And 5 second hold.
Nah, okay, if you hold for 5 seconds, we gonna bet. I'll bet you $50 if you hold for 5 seconds.
Nah.
Come on. You move before 5 seconds, you lose.
I'll see.
Okay, he finna see, man. That's a good bet, man.
If you wait 5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 seconds. I'm down.
I'll see.
That's a whole 6.2, bro. That's a 4.
Yeah, you got a 6.2. This a 4.8, bro. This wasn't even built really for speed. It's like V8 saving gas. Like this just a. Okay, we'll let you see. We're gonna run her.
That's because I don't know if I'm gonna run again. That's
Oh, okay, yeah, he been waiting this long line, fool.
I've already raced like 5 times.
He saying fuck it, man. He wanna. Oh, okay, I'm finna go get that Mustang.
But if you do that, I'll put NOS.
Oh, he got NOS too, and he got a 6.2 with NOS.
If you wait for 5 seconds?
Yeah.
5 seconds. Ooh. But you gotta wait 5 full seconds, man. You leave at 4, bro, you lose.
We'll just talk to him.
Okay, yeah, let me get through.
I don't know if I'm gonna run it back yet.
Yeah, he don't know if he finna run it back, y'all. All right, y'all, coming up over here, we got this, oh snap. He making a pass by himself with this turbo, uh-oh. One day, me and him gonna drive to the track and leave. We both got street cars. We gonna both drive. You know, I know he gonna want to go to the club after we leave, but we're gonna drive to the club together. Me and him watch. I might go live and do it. Oscar Guzman just came from TikTok. What's up with it, Oscar? All my people that's on TikTok, y'all. Yeah, the people that's in TikTok, y'all in trouble. TikTok is in trouble. I need to find another charger. Let me see if I got another charger for y'all. TikTok has got about 12% left. Okay. Hold, let me get this, check this backpack real quick. See if I got an extra charge. See if I got an extra charge. Look out, Ricky Youngblood just came from TikTok, y'all. Let me see, I just plugged it up with that. Let me see if it started making a difference on this Android at 26%. What side y'all got, TikTokers? Oh shit, he done broke. Can't get this side. Man. Alrighty guys, coming up right here we have the mop man. He's going ahead and pouring some of these chemicals on the track, and he's gonna get it cleaned up with this new fresh mop and more chemicals. That's right, gonna get it mopped up right now. It should dry off quickly. Oh yeah, rub it down the track, rub it down the track.
I seen some bad shit happen to me. People smoking cigarettes right here, right there.
All my people that's watching on TikTok, man, I'm on YouTube. That's my main platform. I'd love for y'all to come over. Got a lot of people in the chat. Yeah, that's what I need. I need something to drink. Let me go get my pineapple. I need to go get my. Let me go get me some. Let me mess off one of these Sprite. Miss, can I get a Sprite? Let me play with a Sprite. Okay. This is a good Sprite. Man, this one of them spicy motherfuckers I've been looking for. Boy, that's that good Sprite, man. I've been drinking some bullshit Sprite. Hey, something ain't been right with these other Sprites or something. They ain't been having that spice to them.
That's what I'm saying. That's what he is. He's gonna take him a minute to get up. Hey, but
Right lane for the win. The Monte ass, am I racing tonight? No, I don't think so. Oh yeah, that McDonald's Sprite. Hey, that's what this one tastes like, a McDonald's Sprite. Boy, them McDonald's be having that bitch turned up.